Though they cover only about 4% of the world's surface, rainforests are the home of as much as 75% of the world's species. They also absorb 1/5 of all carbon emissions, creating a vital barrier against climate change. Despite their importance, rainforests face constant threats as deforestation continues to claim large swaths of even the world's mightiest forests. We spoke with Tansy Whelan, who serves as president of the Rainforest Alliance, to hear more about her organization and what can be done to protect these vital natural resources.